How to remove the key symbol from top of your notification bar. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're gonna see how you can easily remove the key icon on top of your notification bar. So as you can see here, right besides my Wi-Fi icon, you have a little key icon that is on my notification bar or up top. In order to remove that, you first need to understand what that is. So if you've recently downloaded any kind of VPN or other services like that, and you might have used it, and then that is why the icon appears. So the key icon basically represents that you are connected to a VPN. Now you can either find the VPN directly that you have downloaded and go to its app and disable it. This is one of the quickest ways, but if you're not able to find what kind of VPN you have or where it is, in that case, go over to your settings menu, and then from your settings, go to connection settings, tap on connections, and then from here, you want to go over to more connection settings. Then you'll have VPN, tap on it. I'm currently connected to this VPN, Cloudflare's VPN. I can just tap on that and then tap on disconnect. And as you can see here, the key icon is now gone. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.